Hey! It's Mark, maakudesuyo, and we're here for another episode of I Can't Talk, episode of EATLOG. We're here in Misen, here we go. Is it gonna focus? It focused. Misen. In Fujigaoka branch. This is a shibori. We're gonna be reviewing their oshibori. Their oshibori is a towel. It's not hot. It's kind of cold, but that's all right. It cleans my hand anyways. Chopstick reviews. The chopstick is very ordinary. It did not break cleanly. Oh well. So Misen is a Chinese restaurant, and they're very well known for a dish that will be coming later. But first, we're gonna be ordering some. We ordered some Chinese food. Well, they're all Chinese. But first, I'm gonna try out their mapo tofu with a P in English or Chinese, I think. But I guess in Japanese it's mabo tofu, and it's right here, right there. Okay. It's the air is filled with spiciness. It's kind of spicy, and it has a lot of tofu and spices and meat. I think that's a good description. All right. Itadakimasu. Oh my god, it's really hot. It's it's coming. Ooh, that's really good. Oh, it kind of fits. I thought it was really big plates. So the mabo tofu is pretty good, because I know you could buy this in a box, and I've tasted that before. It's pretty good, but this is like, you know, made from scratch. The ground beef has a lot of flavor. It's not too spicy, but it is still spicy. If you're weak with spices, you will die here. And then it's got like this sweetness to it. It's not as spicy as I remember mapo tofu being. I think everything here will be Chinese but Japanese flavor, I would say, which is toned down, which makes the mapo tofu really good. Moving on, let's try out this spinach-looking things. This is basically just like spinach that's like stir-fried with some ninniku or garlic. Yeah, let's try it out. Itadakimasu. That's good. It's very oily. All I can say is it's stir-fried vegetables. The vegetables taste pretty fresh, so it's good. Honestly, that's all I can say. Aside from it's a little bit oily, and if you like garlic, you're gonna love this. It's a good source of vitamin A and fiber. Next one is whatever this thing is. Chinjao roast, which to this day I don't know where that word came from. I think the roast is from like roast. Just kidding, I'm wrong. Just kidding, it's in Chinese. Okay, so it is. So I don't know what meat it is yet, but it is classically has piman or green pepper, some type of meat which I will now taste. And what is this? Takenoko gnocchi. This is bamboo shoots. Thinly sliced. Oh, that is good. Let's try out this meat right here. That's pretty good. It's kind of slightly sweet and slightly salty. It's kind of balanced out pretty well. I think it's like kind of covered in flour, sort of, to make that kind of thickness happen, sort of. I don't know, let's see if we can focus. There we go. Imagine how the texture of orange chicken is. That's how the texture is, but Of course, not as sweet as orange chicken. It's a very more subtle. This one. And it's got the green pepper. Whoa, this green pepper is good. What the heck? I don't get it. I'm not used to green pepper tasting like this. It's kind of nutty. That's so good. This is really good. This is a lot better than I expected. Chinjao-rosu, yes. So far everything is good. Next one, 4 out of 5 dishes that we ordered. Classically Chinese. Ooh. It's ninniku chahan. Ninniku, garlic, as I mentioned before, and hopefully my audio is running. It is. Chahan is fried rice. So this is, it usually comes with a side of ginger. So let's dig in. It's got bits of meat in it. By the way, that chinjao-rosu, I think it's pork. Oh, it has a nice garlic kaori to it. Just the right amount of MSG. Yeah, it's. I was expecting it to be a lot saltier and or oilier, but it's not. It's really good. It's like a really good fried rice. That's all I can say about it. Like there's not too much meat to it. And the seasoning is just right. It's not too salty. It's got a little bit of egg in it. Yeah, it's good so far. They're hitting home runs, every single one. Okay, so now this is the main reason why we came here. Wow, this is really hot. Ah, shit, it's hot. It's okay. For the vlog. Boom, right there. It's kind of hard to see. Ah, okay, anyways. This is called Taiwan Ramen, which is a classic Nagoya dish. And if you're wondering why Taiwan when it's Japanese? Well, the thing is, Misen, which is the originator of the Taiwan Ramen, one day they were like, hey, let's try to make this Taiwan noodle dish. Let's try to do it. They didn't really completely make it the same. It ended up being similar, but different enough that it is its own thing. And of course, Misen, which is this shop originating from Nagoya, Taiwan Ramen became like one of the classic Nagoya dishes, and it is now present in a lot of restaurants all over Nagoya. You just don't hear about a lot of tourists talking about it. I'm guessing it's because they come here and they're expecting Japanese food, especially in Nagoya, and they're like, why are there chicken wings? Like, what? And Chinese food. This just shows kind of like the diverse culture here in Nagoya. So, it has a lot of chili, so I'm kind of scared. First of all, I am also very scared because in the menu there's 4 chilies on it. So, itadakimasu ne. Okay, the noodles are kind of thin. I was expecting it to be thicker. Ooh, that's really hot. I'm digging in. Ooh. Oh, I like that. It's not the type of spiciness that like punches you in the face. It's more like that subtle kind of heat. Not to be feared, this kind of spiciness. It's the type that warms you up inside. It's kind of cold outside right now and it's raining, so this is kind of a nice dish to heat up my body. Oh, Wow, that broth is good. That is really good broth. It's spicy. Yeah, but it's really good. So far, 5 of the 5 dishes that we tried, all really good. I really suggest you guys come check out Misen. It's all over Nagoya. This one is in the Fujigaoka branch. That's it for now. Also, they speak Chinese, so if you speak Chinese, it will be much easier to order, I think. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Also, if you'll see I'm like really crouched in because my lens is not wide enough. I find myself in really compact areas here in Japan. So if you don't mind, subscribe and maybe it'll help me buy a new lens that's wider. See you guys.